Why are there not more people talking about the craziest diesel engine fails? Diesel engines are the workhorses of the automotive world, powering everything from trucks to heavy machinery. Yet, when they fail spectacularly. Today, we're going to break down the worst of the worst, those catastrophic diesel engine failures that leave you scratching your head and wondering what went wrong. And more importantly, we'll show you how to get back on the road. First up, the classic engine overheating. Picture this. You're cruising along, enjoying the open road, and suddenly, steam's bursting out everywhere. That's your engine crying for help. The fix? Check your coolant levels and inspect the radiator for leaks. Overheating is often caused by a lack of coolant or a faulty radiator. Pro tip: replace that busted thermostat ASAP. A malfunctioning thermostat can cause your engine to overheat by not allowing coolant to flow through the engine properly. Next, the turbocharger blowout. Fiery explosions, anyone? When your turbo goes, it's like the 4th of July under your hood. The turbocharger is responsible for forcing more air into the engine, increasing power and efficiency. But when it fails, it can cause a lot of damage. Solution? Inspect the turbo for damage, replace any blown seals, and while you're at it, make sure your oil lines are clear. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and any blockages can cause serious issues. Trust me, your engine will thank you. And finally, the dreaded cold start. Winter's here, and your truck's acting like it's on strike. Diesel engines rely on glow plugs to start in cold weather, and if they're not working properly, you're not going anywhere. First step, check those glow plugs. If they're worn out, swap them out. Still no luck? Make sure your fuel system's not clogged with gunk. Diesel fuel can gel in cold weather, causing blockages in the fuel system. A good diesel additive can work wonders. These additives can prevent fuel from gelling and keep your engine running smoothly. So there you have it. Overheating, turbo blowouts, and cold starts. Solved like a pro. Don't let your engine fails ruin your day. With these tips, you'll be back on the road in no time. But remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing these issues in the first place. Keep an eye on your coolant levels, oil lines, and glow plugs, and you'll be able to catch problems before they become catastrophic. And if you do find yourself dealing with a major engine failure, don't panic. Take a deep breath, assess the situation, and follow these steps to get your engine back in working order. It might take some time and effort, but with a little patience and know-how, you can save yourself a lot of money and hassle. Remember, your diesel engine is a complex piece of machinery, and it's important to treat it with care. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs can extend the life of your engine and keep it running smoothly for years to come. So next time you're out on the road, keep these tips in mind and drive with confidence. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more epic truck tips. Catch you next time.